Okay, so in this video I will show how you can leverage ChatGPT to create ideas how you can commercialize your research findings. And I would suggest testing this even if you don't plan commercializing your research findings, because you might find nice ideas that you didn't think that even exists. And in the video, I will soon show how you can prompt ChatGPT to create ideas based on your scientific publications. I will show how you can prompt it to be more creative and finding more novel ideas. And then we will select one of the ideas that we like and we ask it to elaborate more on the idea, and then we will also ask it to provide analysis of competitors for that product that it is suggesting. So let me jump into the ChatGPT and show how this magic works. Okay, so I'm here. I have already gone through this discussion to save some time from you. So I have prompted ChatGPT that here are some of my scientific articles. Could you brainstorm ideas on how I could commercialize my research finding? And then I just copy pasted some of my articles below. And ChatGPT replied, there are several ways in which you could commercialize your research finding. Here are a few suggestions. Develop and market wearable technology, fitness and wellness programs, health monitoring and management, consulting and education services, research partnerships and collaborations. And then there's each of those, there's more information. And those are pretty straightforward suggestions, good suggestions, but straightforward from the articles I have. So I wanted then to prompt it a little bit more. Thanks, good suggestions. Could you brainstorm a bit more creatively and try to find really novel ideas? And it comes up with the new suggestions, which seem to be more creative and novel. So there's develop a mobile app or wearable device that tracks muscle activity and inactivity during daily life. Develop a new type of gym equipment that incorporates your research findings. And then number 4 is develop a new type of physical therapy or rehabilitation program that incorporates your research findings. You could work with physical therapists and rehabilitation specialists to develop a new type of therapy rehabilitation program that takes into account muscle activity and inactivity during normal daily life. And that actually makes sense. In many times in rehabilitation process, it's not always only about the exercises you do, but a lot about the daily life. How do you get back to normal life, and can you do the daily tasks? So that could make sense. And then I say, this sounds interesting. Could you elaborate more on this idea? And I copy pasted the physical therapy part. And then it gives more information on this plan. And it makes sense. It's pretty good. Then I'm telling that how could I combine the technology I have used in my research to this idea. And I took copy pasted the part from the earliest reply that, for example, if your research showed that people with chronic back pain tend to have weak core muscles due to prolonged sitting, you could work with physical therapists and rehabilitation specialists to create a program that focuses on strengthening those muscles in a way that is tailored for the individuals. And then I get pretty decent suggestions: wearable sensors, virtual reality, gamification, telerehabilitation, and then there's text of each of those giving more information. And I think these are really good if I would be looking to commercialize the research finding. At least this would be really nice brainstorming and would get my thoughts going. And it's very fast. And then I'm prompting wearable electromyography for rehabilitation could have potential. Could you provide information of the current state of commercial solutions? And it actually gives four companies that are doing, and I actually know Thalmic Labs, I know Noraxon, Delsus, and Myontech. Myontech is the one that I used in my study. So I quickly get an idea that where is this technology, and I think this is invaluable. I think everyone should check what does the ChatGPT suggest as commercialization ideas for their findings. So let me know in the comments if you find this useful for you, and it would be interesting to know, was it able to suggest you good commercialization ideas? My research studies were using technology, so I think it's easier to come up with these ideas, but it would be interesting to hear from people who are, for example, in human sciences or something, that did it really come with the potential commercialization ideas. And if you like the video, maybe click the thumbs up, it will help me a lot, and for you it will be just a small click. And if you want to see videos like this in the future, click subscribe also. And I have created many videos showing how to leverage AI to be more effective in academic work, save time, and do the work better. So check the other videos if you are interested. Thanks for watching and have a brilliant day.